All right, kiddos, like I promised, I'm going to work through problems B and C. I believe this first one is problem B. And we're just going to walk through kind of the steps to simplify. Have him here on the left. You can check them out over here, right? I'll go through them one by one, try to simplify the best that I can, hopefully get you some answers, give you some help. So here's the first problem. We want to get some distributive property done. If you look, there isn't anything that looks like it, so I'm just going to check that off. Just an example, distributive properties was when you had something like this, and you had to distribute the 3 to both quantities. But we don't have that, so we're going to move on. Get rid of any minus signs. So I see a minus sign up here, and I see a minus sign up here. So I'm going to rewrite my expression, getting rid of those. So I'm going to do 1 plus 2x plus negative x equals x plus negative 5 plus x. Okay, got rid of all the minus signs. Remember, you're going to flip the sign and change the quantity as many times as you need to. All right. Next up, combine like terms. It looks like I can put together x and negative x over here. So it's still 1, and then that's just plus x. On the right side, I'm going to do x and x, which is 2x, and that's plus negative 5. Done deal. Remove the smaller x. I have to see that I have x and 2x. The smaller x is x. The way we get rid of an x, because it's a plus x, I'm just going to do minus x and minus x. That would be kind of like doing a balanced set with our algebra tiles. So that equals 0. So I have 1 on the left, and on the right side, I'm left with x plus negative 5. So we've done that. Our next goal is to get the x's alone. Now, the x over here is right there, and I have this minus 5 that I need to get rid of. This minus 5 right here. Okay? How do you get rid of a minus 5? You create a 0 pair by adding 5. You do something to the right side or the left side, you do it to the other side. So I'm going to add 5 over here. That equals 6. And on the right side, I'm left with x. So you can see that I am left with x equals 6, or 6 equals x. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Same thing. I got my steps to simplify, and I'm going to walk through them. Distributive property, like most of the time, is already done. We don't have to do it. Get rid of any minus signs. I'm going to do this because I told you to, and we're going to move forward. So I got to turn this into a plus, which means this needs to turn into a negative 2x. Okay, and I still got the 3. On the right side, I got 2x. Then bring that down. That's a plus, and then negative 5. All right, done deal. Combine like terms. The 3 can't be combined with the, let me give you a little example. The 3 can't be combined with the 2x, so I'm going to leave that. The 2x can't be combined with the negative 5. I want you to remember, this is like a big wall. You have to deal with the left side and the right side separately. Okay, don't go trying to combine this 3 with this 5, because that doesn't work. It's this side by itself and this side by itself. Okay, we've done combining like terms. We're good to go. Now I want to remove the smaller x. If you notice, I have a negative 2x and a positive 2x. I hope you know that the smaller one would be the negative 1. So I need to get rid of this negative 2x. How do I get rid of negative 2x? Just like you think, I'm going to add 2x, and I'm going to add 2x to the other side. This becomes 0. It's hard to see. I apologize. And we're left with 3. This becomes 4x plus negative 5. All right, done deal. I want to get the x's alone. My x's are over here. So I need to get rid of this negative 5. How do I get rid of negative 5? I go ahead and add 5. That turns into a big giant 0. And I got to add 5 over here. So I'm left with 8 and 4x. Hope we see where this is going. Our last one is divide to get x, or 1x. How do I divide to get 1x? Anything divided by itself is 1. So I have 4x, so I have to divide by 4. That gives me 1x. And then I'm going to divide by 4. Well, 8 divided by 4 is 2, and this just equals x. So we end up with x equals 2. Again, this is here to help you. Hopefully this enlightens you a little bit to solving equations. We will practice more on Thursday and Friday. Don't worry. We'll have a quiz next week. If you have any questions, email me, call me, text me, whatever you need. Have an awesome rest of your day.